Kashmir Valley is shivering right now. The temperatures have plummeted. Last night, if you talk of Srinagar, the temperature that was recorded was minus 5.7, a dip of at least 4 degrees in a day's time. Now, this was predicted by the IMD because there was snowfall, and post-snowfall, as the weather clears, as the skies go blue, it is during this time that the deep freeze increases. Now, as you can see, there is a thick layer of ice over small water bodies. Srinagar woke up to freezing temperatures, and it's not only about Srinagar. If you talk of other parts of the Kashmir Valley, temperatures have been recorded in deep minus. Sonmarg has been the coldest as far as Kashmir is concerned, with the minus 9.7 degrees Celsius recorded. Now, this obviously is a kind of cold attack, and its ripples, its impact is being felt across North India. And this is not going to end soon, because in the coming days, the cold wave can further intensify. IMD sources say that since the weather models, weather patterns suggest that this cold wave is going to intensify, and the temperatures could break new records as far as minus temperatures in Kashmir are concerned. Now, we're getting reports from various parts of the valley where small water bodies, streams have frozen. A thick sheet of ice has been seen on them early morning. And then, if you talk of water pipelines, they have burst at various places, and the water that has come out has frozen in the night. So that really tells you about the kind of minus temperatures and the kind of freeze Kashmir is in right now. So no respite in the coming days as far as cold weather is concerned, and the cold wave is only going to intensify in the coming days. On campus in Tariq Loan, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.